Hello! Today, we are seeing how to make a discount price in Excel, so let's start.
Open up the spreadsheet screen. Numbers glowing bright and green. Got the formula pristine. We're the budget saving team. Hit the cell and type away. Equal sign to make it play. Functions lined up in array. Saving cash day by day. Add a sum in the zone. Discount fly for Rolling Stone. Excel magic we condone. Numbers dancing not alone. Need to mark the budget lines. Slash the cost and find the signs. Excel keeps us in confines. Where our finance love aligns. Click and drag the formula. Costs take a downward spiral. Summers change like aura, but our budget stays viral. Add a sum, we're in the zone. Discounts fly for Rolling Stone. Excel magic we condone. Numbers dance, you're not alone. Need to mark the budget law. Slash the cost and find the signs. Excel keeps us in confines. Where our finance love aligns. Open up the spreadsheet screen. Numbers glowing bright and green. Got the formula pristine. We're the budget saving team. Hit the cell and type away. Equal sign to make it play. Functions lined up in array. Saving cash day by day. Add a sum, we're in the zone. Discounts life for Rolling Stone. Excel magic we condone. Numbers dance, you're not alone. Need to mark the budget lines. Slash the cost and find the signs. Excel keeps us in confines. Where our finance love aligns. Click and drag the formula.